Hello students, welcome to the next session of our online English class, and today in our class we are going to discuss the second kind of phrase, and that is adverb phrase. Now before going any further, let us first revise that what is an adverb. So what is an adverb? The word which tells us something about a work is known as an adverb, or the word which qualifies a verb means some action, is known as an adverb. An adverb, when we have discussed adverb in part of speech, then we have come to know that adverb could be of adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of reason, adverb of condition. Now here we are going to discuss about adverb phrase. So now what are adverb phrases? Again, the phrase which does the work of an adverb is known as an adverb phrase. And what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words. So when a single word tells us something about a work, it is known as an adverb. But when a group of words tells us about something about a work done, then it is known as an adverb phrase. For example, he ran quickly. So what is the work done here? Ran. Somebody ran. But how he ran? Quickly. So quickly is a single word which tells us something about the verb ran. So here quickly is an adverb. In the second part of first example, he ran with great speed. Now what is the work done here? Ran. And how he ran? With great speed. Now with great speed is a group of words which is telling something about the work done. So it is known as adverb phrase. She is coming now. So what is the action done here? Coming. And when is she coming? Now. So now is an adverb. And in the second part, she is coming at this very moment. Again, the verb here is coming. And when is she coming? At this very moment. So at this very moment is a phrase. And which type of phrase is this? Because it is telling something about the verb. So it is an adverb phrase. They fell down. So here the verb is fell. And down is an adverb. They fell to the ground. So again here the verb is fell. But the group of word is telling us about the verb fell. So it is known as the adverb phrase. So in each of the above pairs of sentences, we have first a single word which is an adverb, modifying a verb, and then a group of words modifying that verb in the same way. For example, the group of words with great speed tell us how he ran. It modifies the verb ran, just as the adverb quickly does. It therefore does the work of an adverb and is called an adjective phrase. So what is an adjective phrase? Adverb phrase. An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. So now let us study the following adverbs and adverb phrases that are equivalent to them. Means through the table we are going to understand the difference between an adverb and an adverb phrase. So beautifully is a single word which is telling something about some work done. So it is an adverb. And in a beautiful style is a group of words which is telling something about a work done. So it is an adverb phrase. Bravely again is an adverb, in a brave manner. Formerly, in former times. Recently, in the immediate past. Soon, at an early date. Swiftly, in a swift manner. Unwisely, without wisdom. What is the meaning of wisdom? Wisdom means knowledge, and unwisely means without knowledge. Okay. Now let us examine the following sentences and notice the work done by the phrase in each of the sentences. A house on an island was washed away. Second, they live on an island. So here in sentence 1, the phrase on an island tells us which house was washed away. That is, it qualifies the noun house. It is therefore an adjective phrase. So, what is an adjective phrase? Which tells us something about the, or which qualifies a noun or pronoun. So, in the first sentence, on an island qualified the house which was washed away. So, it is an adjective phrase. And in second sentence, the phrase on an island tell us where they live. That is, it modifies the verb live. So, it is therefore an adverb phrase. So, here in the second example, on an island is modifying the verb live. So, it is an adverb phrase. Hence, we see that the same phrase may be an adjective phrase in one sentence and adverb phrase in another sentence. Now let us come to noun phrases. Examine the following sentences. The man wants something. Second, he hopes to win the first prize. In sentence 1, the word something is a noun and it is the object of the verb wants. And in second sentence, the group of words to win the first prize is the object of the verb hopes. So hence, this group of words does the work of a noun. So, the group of words to win the first prize is therefore a noun phrase. So, now what is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. Let us read some examples of noun phrases. I hate to do such a thing. So the phrase which are there in italics are noun phrases. We enjoy reading novels. Did you enjoy reading this magazine? To win a prize is my ambition. So here in this chapter we have discussed about type phrases and kinds of phrases. Now till the next session, goodbye.